Back is blue.
It's a big gator in the water. It's probably about, well, 10 feet. I was too slow getting the camera. He was sitting up on the bank there. We got to watch him get up and stand up and walk and jump in the water and swim.
Very blue.
It's a beautiful great blue heron. You hold the steering wheel. Thank you. Tell where it is out here. Don't, you're steering. Oh, no, you're not steering. Okay. It's a beautiful great blue heron. Below at the grass line. Can you see it in the binoculars? There's a great blue heron and then a smaller, it's a little blue heron. Oh my god, that's so cool. Usually those little ones are really shy, and the great blue ones are really shy too.
That's getting food. It says tricolored herons are named for the plumage of immature birds, which sport a motley three-toned combination of grayish blue, cinnamon, and white feathers.
It's cinnamon.
First specimen around I don't think it's still though.
Yeah. Something else. So on the lower far right is what we're talking about. This one just coming back into the water here on the far right edge. The littler one in front of the great blue heron. That is so cool to see the feathers blowing around on that great blue heron. You should look at it with the binoculars. It's a trip. Here comes the big gator. See, he's back in the gate, stop moving. He's just sliding through. About halfway, he's well camouflaged and he's headed out here. He's coming over here where we are. He's making the corner now.
Look at the heron.
He's coming towards us. Oh, there's a bald eagle. Kaya. Is that, or is that an osprey?
Osprey.
Osprey. Okay, back to the gator.
The heron's cleaning himself.
Yeah, the heron looks so neat and fluff it all up in the wind.
Comes gator for lunch.
Gator coming
that
in.
other heron is out of there.
It's gonna be cool when they got all of them together on this video. The gator, here he comes sliding in on the far right. He's just coming out of the green algae water. He's just getting ready to hit the smooth water here soon. Here he comes sliding in. He's in the smooth, clean water now. Oh man, there he comes. Oh, he's a big, big gator. That is a big gator, Kaya. That's at least a 12-footer. Holy moly. He's a big one. Sliding on past the great blue heron now. Whoop, there he goes. Big Daddy. Yeah, he's at least 12 feet, and we know it's a male because it's over 10 foot. The females don't get bigger than 10 feet. There he goes, he's moving on. These are called parasol trees, or varnish trees. Sort of hard in this light to see them. Getting the shade, that's better. Very pretty. Okay, here's a little snake we found on the road. It's not alive anymore, but it's got the sweetest coloring on it. Trying to figure out what it is. It's just so creepy. I always want. I'm not looking, so tell me what he is. This beautiful moss. I love this corner with all the moss and the oak trees, beautiful big old oak trees. This is the other side of the dike. This is the outflow and inflow here. You don't see these things anymore. See the wooden dowels and another big gator. The waters are orange looking now because it's a different waterway system. It's fresh water, but it's a different waterway system. Get it over there on the left?
I got it. Trying to get both of them in. I got both of them in, but
That's a gator nest across in the back. The brown part you see by the two little dead trees, about dead center. And you can see her tracks where she dragged down when they were ready down that bank into the water. They just hatched out about a week or two ago.